Hi guys! Feeling drained ka na ba from the city life? Baka ito na yung perfect spot para mag-recharge and reconnect. Not just with nature but with yourself and your loved ones too. Ano, sama ka sa biyahe namin? Andito nga pala kami ngayon sa Sunken Kubo. Located sila sa Santo Niño 1, San Jose del Monte, Bulacan. Don't worry sa parking, may space naman sila. Tapos modern pa. Self-check-in ang sistema. Every guest may sariling code naman. Excited na ang mga bata, so tara, pasok tayo. Meron sila ditong designated smoking area. Accommodations nila ay ang Kubo 1 and Kubo 2. Low loft style na good for 4-packs and air condition. Meron din silang Kubo Nest dito, yung parang hammock style net where you can relax or just enjoy the vibe. May grilling station din sila dito, just buy your own charcoal. May malapit na stores din naman sa area. Kung gusto mo pa ng another chill spot, pwede ka dito. May Kubo deck din sila kung nasa ng dining area and kitchen where you can use all the provided appliances or kitchen utensils for free. Food na lang talaga ang dadalin mo. Syempre, Kligo tayo guys ha. Andito rin pala yung comfort room nila. Malinis, may shower and complimentary toiletries. Boredom? Wala yan dito. May board game sila for the extra fun and bonding. Perfect to kapag gusto nyong mag-chill at mag-enjoy ng quality time kasama ang family or friends. May free church magazine pa. Ito yung pool nila na 4 feet ang lalim. But first, you take a shower bago mag-swimming. Enjoy the cool water, have a great time, and treasure these moments forever. May wifi din pala dito ha, at ganito ang itsura niya sa gabi. Ang gaan lang, di ba? Just good vibes, feeling the good energy, and ayun lang. Punta na din kayo dito sa Sunken Kubo. Accessible, convenient, and talagang one with nature. Ayun lang, bye-bye!